Learning how to navigate Windows 10 isn't too difficult, especially if you know what's different about it from its Windows 7 predecessor. Here are some features worth pointing out if you just downloaded the latest OS. There are a few notable updates with Windows 10 in regards to your security. First, check out Windows Hello. This software uses facial recognition to unlock your machine using its webcam. There's also Microsoft Defender. This antivirus program and internet security software comes free with Windows 10. There's also automatic updates. Windows 10 offers automatic updates by default to keep your system more secure. You can turn these off if you want to by going to Windows Update Settings and Advanced Options. Then change it from automatic to another option if you choose. Hit that familiar Windows icon at the bottom left of the screen to find a list of your desktop apps and programs. The Start menu includes live tiles like Mail, Calendar, and Weather. You can customize these tiles with any app you like. Just open the Start menu, click All Apps, and find the app you want to make into a tile. Right-click it and click Pin to Start. To remove a tile, right-click it and click Unpin from Start. Microsoft's Digital Assistant is now available on Windows 10 PCs. Cortana operates via voice command to help you with tasks. Go to Start, Settings, and Cortana to turn it on and off. Say goodbye to Internet Explorer. Microsoft's Edge browser replaces the old mainstay. Now, there's a new version of Edge built on the same engine that drives Google's Chrome browser. You can download the new Edge browser on Windows 10 by going to the Microsoft Edge webpage, selecting Windows, and clicking Download. For more helpful tips on Windows 10, visit us at cnet.com.